Good day, ladies and gentlemen. This is Brian Wang from AVerMedia. I'm the business manager of the company looking after the AI Jetson solution. And it is my honor today to represent both companies, AVerMedia and IronYun, the Vaidio, who will be the Patrick of VP Engineering, and myself will be presenting about the AI safety and security solution at the edge. And today we'll be basically covering starting from the Vaidio solution where the safety and AI algorithms are being implemented. Then AVerMedia will be addressing the product solution on the hardware as well as the software service that we offer to comprehend the entire solution. So having that said, let's just get started.
Hello everyone. Thank you for coming to this session today. This is Patrick from IronYun, and it's great to have this opportunity to present what we have been doing here at IronYun. The topic of my sharing today is AI safety and security solutions at the edge. First, I would like to introduce IronYun and what we have been doing here. IronYun is a US company headquartered in Connecticut. We are a software company developing video search solutions and vision platform based on AI deep learning technologies. We have office at US, Taiwan, and Singapore, and also we have many distributors and resellers in many different countries. The name of the main product we are working on is Vaidio, which is an AI vision platform and is capable of hosting several video analytics at the same time. The Vaidio AI vision platform is designed to receive video streams from standard IP cameras or to process user-uploaded video files, and it uses deep learning technologies to analyze video content in real time. Vaidio provides a user-friendly UI for users to search for important events, and it also provides a way for users to predefine rules so that when event happens, it can send out notification immediately. Here is a high-level overview of what Vaidio is providing. There are more than 20 video analytics and applications that are developed to address real-world problems, including popular features like AI object detection, facial recognition, license plate recognition, people and vehicle counting, and people behavior detection. In Vaidio, search for an event or an object is as easy as searching for a restaurant in Google search, because Vaidio has combined all the different video analytics results together and provide a user-friendly UI that makes the search super easy. For example, when searching for a person, user can specify the gender and the age of the person, the color of the clothes the person is wearing, or even the personal belongings like backpack or handbag. When searching for a vehicle, user can specify the type of the vehicle, the brand and the model of the vehicle, for example, like searching for a Toyota Camry in white color, or even specify the partial license plate numbers. Based on the search criteria, Vaidio returns the results with snapshot and metadata within few seconds. User can also play back of the recorded video files of that event and even see the location of that event on the map. In addition to that, Vaidio also addresses the needs of construction site safety. So it comes with the PP detection features that can detect if a person entering a construction site or a factory is wearing appropriate helmet or vest, and send out notification when someone is not. For school campus or public safety, Vaidio detects weapons and fire and smoke. Customers can instantly get the notification when a person carrying a weapon gets into school campus is detected, or a smoke and fire is detected. Due to the COVID-19, a social health analytics package is also developed that includes social distance detection, human temperature detection, and mask detection. So if someone is not wearing a mask or not keeping the social distance, you will get the alert. All those features are all provided by a single platform and depends on what user needs. They can decide to apply multiple analytics to a single camera or to multiple cameras. After user decided, Vaidio will make sure the streams are processed in a very efficient way and make the cost reasonable and affordable. Our product is currently used by many different countries every day worldwide, including casinos, schools, sports stadiums, police departments in many different ways. I like to share with everyone that IronYun is also being named a major player by IDC in Worldwide Video Surveillance Analytics 2021, and we also won the SIA New Product Showcase Award in 2020 and 2021. So Vaidio is a proven solution. After several years of development and also real-world deployment, Vaidio has been integrated with a lot of third-party systems, and the number is still increasing. Almost most of the popular VMS systems are already integrated, and thus most of our customers can keep using their existing cameras and NVR or VMS systems. Whenever an event is detected, Vaidio can retrieve and play back the associated video from customers' existing NVR or VMS systems. And also, Vaidio is capable of sending the event metadata to integrated VMS systems, so that users do not need to change their SOP. They can see the detected event right on the existing VMS. So customers' investment is protected. Here's an overview of the system architecture. The basic concept of using Vaidio is super simple. Basically, customers connect their existing standard IP cameras to Vaidio and enable the desired features for each camera. For example, customer can apply AI object detection and facial recognition to camera A and apply AI object detection and license plate recognition to camera B. Customer can even decide what are the objects and events they want to detect for each camera. Vaidio is very flexible in terms of deployment. Once the configuration is done, Vaidio can get the video stream from those cameras and process them in real time according to the setting. For remote sites or remote cameras that might have only limited network bandwidth, Vaidio Edge appliance that is equipped with a powerful AI chipset provides a flexible way for deployment. The Vaidio Edge can be deployed near the cameras for better latency and reducing the network bandwidth requirement. Vaidio Edge gets the video stream from local cameras and analyze it right on the edge device. Only when needed, the detected metadata is transmitted to the backend server, which is also a Vaidio system. Vaidio Edge hardware provided by AVerMedia is designed for working in all kinds of environments, like indoor and outdoor, or even different temperatures conditions. Later on, Brian will provide more details of the Vaidio Edge hardware. And now, just for better knowing how Vaidio works, I would like to play this introduction video of the Vaidio product, which also includes quite a few new features that we released recently.
Welcome to this quick overview of Vaidio 5.4. The Vaidio AI Vision platform from IronYun USA supports a broad range of highly accurate AI-enabled video search and analytics for security, safety, health, and operations. Vaidio is compatible with most IP cameras and integrates with dozens of the most popular video management systems. IronYun continuously upgrades the Vaidio AI Vision platform to increase accuracy, functionality, and performance. This video will cover the new analytics enhancements and upgrades of Vaidio 5.4. The Vaidio 5.4 release adds new AI-enabled safety and emotion detection, sensor and VMS integrations, privacy blurring and associated data and user management features, as well as a fully featured parking management application, which is the first third-party application developed on the Vaidio platform. Let's start with the new safety analytics. Vaidio can detect and alert when a person lacks PPE, such as a vest or hard hat, when a person is in a restricted or dangerous area, or too close to a truck or other mobile equipment, or when someone is talking on a cell phone. Note that in this frame, a human being monitoring on screen would be unlikely to spot the person on a phone, but Vaidio can accurately detect it even at a distance. Vaidio 5.4 can also accurately detect emotions, including happiness, sadness, anger, and surprise. The 5.4 release also expands on our open platform integrations. New VMS NVR integrations and upgrades include Axis ACS, Bosch, Cognite Symphia, Cadacom, Cognify Ocularis, and Salient Complete View, bringing the total to 26. It also adds new IoT and sensor integration, including CO2, humidity, vape, panic button, and audio gunshot detection. This allows Vaidio to enhance and combine coverage for holistic situational awareness. Vaidio 5.4 upgrades privacy features to introduce new privacy blurring and associated data retention and user management features to improve GDPR compliance. We are also proud to announce our first partner-developed vertical application. The new parking management application leverages the Vaidio platform and Vaidio intrusion detection, vehicle make model recognition, and license plate recognition to create a full-featured AI-enabled parking lot management solution, where you can define parking spots, reserve spots, conduct vehicle searches based on license plates and over 1,000 vehicle models, and alert on overstaying, parking in a reserved spot, parking in a no parking zone, double parking, and more. This concludes our review of the Vaidio 5.4 release. Thank you for watching. For more information on the Vaidio AI Vision platform from IronYun USA, please visit IronYun.com.
After knowing what Vaidio is and how it works, I would like to share a successful case study here. This is a crime investigation and prevention use case. And the challenge is that even though many cameras are deployed almost everywhere, but still, there's no easy way to really utilize them. And it's almost not possible to have so many people watching those cameras all the time. That means only when something happens, police officers go back to retrieve videos and spend hours or even days to watch those videos, just to find an escaped car of a hit and run accident. By the time they identify it from the videos, it has been long gone. Well, Vaidio can help and make it much easier in this case. Our customers simply connect their existing camera to Vaidio and having the Vaidio to monitor those cameras in real time. In addition, more than 37,000 license plates of the stolen car are loaded into Vaidio, so that when any one of them is detected, Vaidio reported immediately with snapshot and GPS locations and even show the route on the map in real time. Vaidio can also send out notification to Vaidio app so that police officers can act immediately. In case the license plate of the target car is unknown, customer can still specify the car brand, the car model, and the color, or even the partial license plate information. Vaidio will report when any car that matches the description is detected in real time. In the POC, 12 stolen cars are detected on the day one, and in total, 7 cases are resolved during 3 weeks of POC. The system now is working in production, helping police officers every day, and we are glad to see our work is making the world safer. This is my sharing today, and next, Brian will present the hardware of the Vaidio Edge. In case you have questions or you are interested in Vaidio, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.
All right, thank you very much, Patrick, for covering the great solution by Vaidio. And next, I will be addressing the NX215B, the SAW solution used for the Vaidio solution. Before we start on that, just a quick overview about AVerMedia. Our company was founded in 1990 and headquartered based in Taipei, Taiwan. And with our capital of around $90 million US, we have reached $400 million US revenue. And the chairman, who is our also president and the CEO, has led the team of a group consisting of AVerMedia and Ever. In this group, there are around 900 people, and around almost 40% of the people are R&D based, the technicians and specialized people. And with this group, we have possessed the over 600 plus patents on the video capturing and streaming technology. And basically, this is why we were chosen as the elite partner of Nvidia in terms of the Jetson offering, where by having that said, the video processing technology is really the core technology that applies to the AI. So here's about AVerMedia. We, in our company, besides working with the distributors worldwide, who also are the authorized disties of Nvidia, we choose to work with the strategic partners like the camera suppliers from Econ System, A-Pro, AutoBright, and to offer the comprehensive solution covering the cameras and the box PC solutions, where we offer the total product to customers, mostly are the SIs or the individual software vendors. So over there you can see a bit of example, Trigo, IronYun, who has been covering the session today, Smart Cow, going into the smart traffic, smart retail solutions. And these are the key partners we work with, and we support them by offering the great product range. And in terms of the key account, the name of whom you know very much, basically they are the people who are able to consolidate the entire solution and make the full offerings once again to the verticals like smart warehousing, smart retail applications, and also the surveillance and safety business fields. So Patrick has covered the deployment of the entire infrastructure over Vaidio solution. And as you can see that the NX215 staying at the front of the very front of the edge. Here you can see the deployment goes by having one NX215, this Jetson Xavier NX, covering 2 IP cameras. So there could be one or more AI models loaded, and this is where the inference takes place. Then all this process or the stream videos will be sent to the centralized server, where it gets further processing or to connect with the main system for further applications. So looking at the NX215, why this product was chosen, I have to say that having the Xavier NX covered, this product is designed to cover a very great efficiency in terms of the cooling effect, heat dissipation basically. So to have this work on the severe environment of heat, condition, closed air circuits, this device works at the very perfect manner with its compact size given, designed by AVerMedia. So pretty comprehensive in terms of the IOs. We have 2 LAN ports, USB and HDMI, which are basically customized and tailor-made to meet the very specific demand by Vaidios. So the reason for having those interfaces laid out in such a way that taking the double LAN port, for example, which is non-standard, and we do design in a way that the first LAN port could be, the door opening to the outside LAN network, where the other IP could stay inside for for a better peace of mind in terms of the IP security. And there are actually 2 ports of HDMI as opposed to 1 only. And the reason being is that there is a way for, if you're to apply in this central management system, there could be an additional output for like picture-in-picture placement. So it offers a greater degree of flexibilities for people to manage the way they look at the screens and the output. And besides the IP cameras, a USB camera could be another option. We do go with USB 3.0. Besides smart safety or security application, say smart retail, simply plug in your USB 3 camera and have it activated. Not a problem. Okay, here is just a quick glance of what NX215 driven by Vaidio NX's solution can do in terms of the number of the camera hosted in this solution. So H.264 compression has now been widely chosen. So if you take the most standard IP camera per se, 1080p 30, it could host up to 16 of them by H.264 compression. So going further, the number of camera capable of hosting will be reduced alongside with the increase of the frame rate and the resolution. So on the side of NX215, we particularly designed the I/Os of 20 pin, basically with this special connectors over here. So with this 20 pins, we have 2 pairs of I2C, 1 UART, 4 GPIOs, and 2 CAN bus. And that offers good flexibilities in terms of connecting the edge devices. Say for example, taking this Vaidio solutions, recognizing the car plate, and if you do not wish to have the extra loaded from the central server, you can basically set the command having NX215 activate the barrier or the corridor automatically, so that it would just comprehend this license plate recognition and the access control for the car in and out. So full process can be autonomous. So with this set of GPIO here, which we do supply this 20 pin connectors, so that would just make this entire infra nice and easy. Okay, and here is an example of the entire range of product from covering the Vaidio NX. So, looking at the Vaidio NX itself, we have around 6 devices over here. And why there are like so many devices required? Say, for instance, going away from NX215, if you go to say 213B, where the 8 extra PoE ports are equipped, this could be utilized for multiple ports of IP cameras, where you like to have all processed in 1 unit. Or going above, you may choose the gigabit solution of NX217B. So that would be for a better utilization with a higher frame rate of the cameras. And just a peace of mind here, with NX219B, it actually comes with the multiple ports of USB. So we do happen to realize that while IP cameras are used in the security field, there are quite a bit of applications going into smart retail business. So that's why we have this built instead of IP into USB. So here's the full range of Vaidio NX solution for system integrators or software developers to choose from, and we have got them all covered. And going further, if there's nothing from this range that suits your need, you're more than welcome to come to us for your customized demand, where we can offer tailor-made service to comprehend your needs. Okay, so besides the box PC, carrier board is another range of product which we sell. So we have this because there are people, who choose to buy SoMs from local distributors, and where after the development kit when it comes to deployments, and they would need to utilize their application with extensive IOs, and they only need to buy carrier boards. So this is a time that they come to us and choose the full range from us, starting from the the smallest form factor of mobile ITX, all the way to say mini ATX carrier board sizes. We comprehend them. And just like I mentioned, a couple ports with IP, with the PoE multi-ports are made for safety sort of business fields, where USB could be for multiple USB could be for retail business, and then going further upgrading, we would have AGX Orin, the carrier board for that, as well as the AGX Xaviers, which are already ready. So with this range on your right hand side here, we do aim at the industrial grade level, covering the wide temperature range. So they are more in the premium price sector. And looking down over here, AVerMedia is like taking on to offer the development systems after Nvidia. So we already have a D111NX covered for Xavier NX, and we'll be introducing in May a new solution which will stay pretty much identical to what you already have on the development kit itself in terms of the I/O, MIPI interfaces and all that. So I mean, let's look forward to it. Okay, so having product addressed, I would like to mention that the AVerMedia, the capability and our value proposition. First of all, we are a hardware design company, and we offer product and services on the ODM design, on the EMS manufacturing, and basically quality is something that's like out of negotiation. That's the fundament of our best services. So in terms of the say ODM design fulfillments, what AVerMedia does is that we have had 30 years of experience on hardware design coverage, and on the Jetson AI, we provide the full scope of software services in terms of the BSP customizations, or help on all the SDK installations, or even the change of our BSP to meet the various demands. So all of those will be basically on the ODM service that we offer. So the EMS is another thing. Bring us your Gerber, and we can have them done for you. Everything's manufactured in Taiwan. And the thermal is something that we have particularly imposed into making AVerAI solution. Say, over the time, we realized that there are more demands over the fanless solution because of the fact that people are not in fond of the dust over the application. They would rather leave it as it is after deployment. So in this case, having the device work in the closed circuit air environment and not going overheat, that's something really critical, and that has to be addressed. And in AVerMedia, we have the full team to cover this, to make sure that our all the products we design deliver the temperature range that we give out to our audience. Okay. So before the product gets launched, there is a strict from C0 to C4 product verification, test verification process that we have to go through. Then only till that all the process gets validated and the QA pass, that we release the product to the mass production and also the shipments. So between that, this is going to basically take 3 to 6 months in the pipeline before the product gets realized. Then they will conclude that the quality that we deliver to customer can be met as said. Okay. So in this page here, this basically gives a very brief story of what AVerMedia has been doing for the last 32 years. We are the video expert, video and audios, and we design solutions to capture them and in a very perfect manner. starting from the analog signal all the way to digital, covering the SDI, HDMI, with different resolutions from PAL to NTSC all the way to 4K. The progress and evolution of that consists of the full understanding and utilization of V4L2, this video codec, and the GStreamer, which is utilized for Linux. So with AVerMedia, our software and hardware teams are dedicated for supporting that on the products that we design and manufacture, and those on the products we deliver to customers, where FAE team is like entering to back up the support, whichever that's required by customers. So once again, having that said, we have more than 600 video and audio capture and streaming patents covered by the entire group. That shows how capable we are in terms of this business. Okay, so once again on the speech of the ODM and OEM service, this is what we do. And when we look at the evaluate the demand over hardware designs, it is more than MOQ that we look at. If we perceive that your project has got great potential and it meets one of the verticals that we addresses, say it be for smart safety and the smart retail or transportation businesses, and we would be able to go to start working with you at the better more flexible MOQ. And for sure, it would come to your hardware customizations. Maybe you would like to have something in the smaller form factor, IP-graded solutions, or when it comes to software, you need the BSP customization. Come to talk to us. We are able to realize that for you. And you would be amazed by the speedy and responsive service that AVerMedia offers to fulfill your hardware and software designs. Okay. Once again, that we're always flexible in terms of working with you. The upgrades, we are very responsive to the BSP upgrades. Considering the fact that the change of the BSP nowadays, all the way going to 4.6.1 and 5.0, AVerMedia being the elite partner, we are able to react within 2 weeks to come up, stay in the same pace as Nvidia, and come up with the ready-made solutions that are ready to deploy. Along with the design of our hardwares, they're catching up in the same time. So this is something that's really valuable for those who are as responsive to the change of Nvidia's BSP, and come to us. You get support from AVerMedia. Okay, just a bit of process to talk about when it comes to taking your ODM projects. First, we would talk and consolidate your demand by working together with you. And then we would turn those into a design phase where we may suggest a better way and better cost-saving way for you to realize the design you wish. And then when it comes to manufacturing, a design and manufacturing stage, that's where the full process of validation comes in, and before we're sure to put that to production. Then afterwards, soon as the product gets shipped, you will be backed up by the warranty and the support service by AVerMedia, so that we are there for you, offering you support from Taiwan in case there's any after-sales service, BSP upgrades, and just come to talk to us. We're there for you. Okay. So there I have presented about AVerMedia as well as our product and service. So in the next section, and AVerMedia and IronYun will be able to take Q&A from the audience. And in the meantime, we have actually picked up some of the questions that we have been always asked about, and I believe this is a great chance to address them here today in today's session.
Here is a frequent question. Can I train my own AI model to detect objects I need, for example, like company logo or uniform? Yes, Vaidio DIY framework, which is also provided by IronYun, provides an easy way for users or partners to train their own AI model for Vaidio. And this slide shows the steps. First, you will need to collect video or images from the target environment. And then you use a Vaidio DIY to label those images according to your needs. After that, you can submit the labeled image to IronYun Training Cloud, and the Training Cloud will automatically train the AI model for you. Once the training is done, you can download the model and then upload the model to your own Vaidio system. And the Vaidio system will start using the AI model to detect the new object type you define. Here's another frequent question. Can Vaidio interact with other systems? Well, the answer is yes. There are actually several ways. As I described in the presentation, there are actually many NVIDIA and VMS systems are already integrated. So Vaidio can already retrieve the video from those NVIDIAs or even send the alert to those NVIDIAs. In addition, Vaidio also provides a set of APIs so that our partners can use the API to retrieve the metadata for their own purpose. Or even the IoT device can use the API to send the event back to the Vaidio for displaying. We also define a plugin framework so that our partner can follow to create a plugin to upload it to Vaidio to increase the feature for Vaidio.
So, all right, so thanks, Patrick. I have two questions here regarding AVerMedia, which I can answer. So a lot of people have been asking, what makes AVerMedia product competitive to others? Well, once again, AVerMedia owns more than 600 patents on the latest audio and visual technology. And we consistently make significant R&D investments into this part. So we want to make offer to our clients on the products and the best thoughtful design, which can be optimizing the performance while operating in various temperatures. So, and more important, we think we're very happy to support our clients with industry-specific customizations, if that's required by you. And another question is, why is it crucial for AVerMedia to be customer-driven focused? And once again, our core businesses in this AI Jetson offerings is basically on the ODM besides our standard products. And we understand that every project is unique and significant to our customers. And an off-the-shelf product may not suit their demands. So, well, we're here for 32 years already, and we have this solid video processing technology, and we are able to work very closely with our clients to quickly develop high performance and reliable solution that fits their specification and provide timely after-sales support to solve any issues that they may have. And also, we offer a full range of customization service, including hardware, SDK, and driver customization. So if needed, and as we are a customer-centric team, and we will continue to support the business growth of all sizes and offer flexible MOQ for potential verification vertical solutions. And for instance, like smart retail, smart security, and the smart traffic verticals. So come to us, bring us your need, let us fulfill them for you. Okay, so well, thank you very much for joining this meeting, and hence I have concluded this session. And this is AVerMedia and IronYun's our website and our emails. And if you have any inquiries or any questions, please feel free to drop us a mail. Keep in touch. Thank you.
We are excited to be working within the embedded computing space, where AI-based solutions transform products and services as we know them. Whether changing the way we shop, ensuring our security, or making our city run more efficiently, we are enabling these projects worldwide. And we are proud to bring you an array of Jetson-powered box PCs and carrier boards as an Nvidia Elite partner, which are the brains to execute these solutions. we are introducing our compact but powerful embedded computing device, NX215B. It equips an Nvidia Xavier NX module, giving you instant access to the performance of supercomputers, 5 times better than the entry-level Jetson Nano module, while consuming the same amount of power, as well as other developer resources provided by Nvidia. NX215B is enclosed within a rugged and conveniently compact form factor, making it suitable for applications with spatial concern. It is essential to understand that every situation has its own set of needs. For this reason, we designed the NX215B to include a rich assortment of the latest generation of interfaces, such as a dual HDMI interface for the high-resolution output of video and analytics dashboard, dual gigabit Ethernet, 2 USB 3.0, flexible power input options with DC, and a locking Minifit Junior power input connector. In addition, seamless expandability with compatible AVerMedia frame grabbers that allows you to capture better and analyze the video feed. The NX215B is a capable box PC that is also available as a carrier board. For more information, visit www.professional.avermedia.com.